Hi everyone, well this is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thanks to each and every single one of you for sharing the content, okay, and liking these videos as well, and obviously your Patreon. Thank you very much. Cheers. Hope you have a really good weekend, okay. So right now XRP is this, isn't it? You know, it's a bit lackluster, a bit crap, but we did have this breakout here. I did give you a technical target that was met, and it's rolled back. Now, you know, it doesn't always mean that it's going to continue on these technical targets from there to there. Like I said to you, when you break out, you're looking at a lovely little long to run about 121, and you got that, okay. But right now you can see it's sort of adhering to the trend, isn't it? There's a bit of a fake out. Now technically, you know, you lost support here, so your realistic target should have been this, okay. This is where you should have gone to for XRP, just here. You should have gone down to here, because you lost support here. Do you see that? So it was on its way down here to this short of around about 99 cents. But then obviously what happened here is we had a bit of a technical glitch, didn't we? Now the reason this pumped insane like that, okay, because this is a technical target, and I do think that it's trying to get there at the moment, to be honest with you, because you're hitting resistance like this. Look, you're coming down to it. Do you understand? So I do anticipate that XRP is trying to get to 99 cents at the moment, okay. So with that, the reason it did glitch there, okay, and pumped insane, I think that was a mega pump, okay, was around about 14%. It did it within the hour, and the reason is because obviously, as most of you are fully aware, XRP gets relisted temporarily on Coinbase Pro due to technical issues. XRP price soared after the Coinbase Pro relisted the token, but it crashed afterward. Okay, so this for me, this is a technical glitch, obviously, but it's a technical glitch of what's to come. I think there was experimented with it and accidentally put it back in. Of this is what's coming, basically. I think Coinbase knows something that we don't, and I think that the case is, the settlement is relatively close. I'm seeing a lot of YouTube content pointing to that, and some articles are pointing towards the end of September we might get decisions. So you know, just take a look at it again. Look, this is what happens when you sort of have a glitch and relisting on one exchange. One exchange, not all of them, which it will get relisted on. There's one exchange. Once it goes mainstream again, we're out of here. Okay, and that's where I do anticipate the minimal $4.50 price tag for XRP. I do think it will explode, but right now what it's doing, it's looking for support. So these are your optimal entry points, okay. And like I said to you, I do anticipate that we are coming in for a deeper correction right here. I do think we're going for Elliott wave theory. I do think we're looking at some kind of A, B, and then a C wave down, potentially down to the 85 cents. It may even come lower to the golden ratio, okay, at 75 cents. Who knows, we might have a bigger dump, but I want to reassure you that it's all part and parcel of what it's done before. It does this for continuation, you know. Let me show you. So right now it might come that low, you know, it might not, but you know, minimal I think is 85 cents. But again, it doesn't mean it has to happen. Just because I'm seeing it doesn't mean it has to happen. But I'm saying if you do start to see a correction in the market, again, we put in a bit of a high here, and then we do have another dump, just put some cheeky bids in 85 cents. I will keep saying that, won't I? Because look, I think, look, I'll show you, okay. Basically, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. That's Elliott wave theory done right there. And then look, we had it here. You broke out 1, 2, 3, where are we, 4, 5, okay, just like that. Do you see that? So then here I think what we're going is, and this is all theory based, we had an A, okay, a B, and then a C wave down. And I kept telling you this, didn't I? Here, it's very similar. This is very similar to this. And I said to you, look, even if you go horizontal, you break out eventually, you're looking at impulsive wave, providing you can hold support. And just here, we held the 050. Right now, the 050 is sitting at 85 cents, okay? You've already wicked down to the 382. Now, if you do start to fall in lower and form an ABC correction like you did here after this Elliott wave theory, you know, up, basically, had that corrective wave, then do anticipate that your low is down here on the 050, because this is where this low was on the 050, this retracement. Do you understand? But just because it's happened before does not necessarily mean it happen again. So that's what I'm saying is, I do think, you know, if you do see a roll in the market, just put some cheeky bids on 85 cents. That potentially is your low, okay, for a very long time. Yeah, and that's if it can retains market structure, which I do think it is, okay, because after that I think we'll explode, and I think we're going up, okay. And I think you're looking at a minimal $4.50 price tag for XRP just there, okay. So yeah, it's looking likely, isn't it? you know, like I said to you, what's happened before does not necessarily happen again, but you can see it's all playing out. Elliott wave theory, 1 2 3 4 5, you know, ABC continuation, 1 2 3 4 5, ABC continuation. To be honest with you, I thought that this was the 5 high. I'll be honest with you, I did, and full transparency, I thought we were looking for the ABC here, but what we did, we made a higher high than this. So this is your 5 high, and right now you're looking at the ABC. And like I said to you, the ABC is so complex, it can even double bottom. You know, it can do anything it wants to. This is charting, isn't it? But do anticipate, if you do start to come down now and lose this 95 cents that you've created for yourself, you could be looking at 85 cents, 050 retest on the fib retracement right there, okay? And, you know, equally, I will remind you that if you do start to come down below the golden ratio, which is where this purple line is, well, this parabolic structure, this curl that you are adhering to here for XRP, if you start to lose that, that in itself could be quite negative. But I do think you come in for support. I do think XRP is looking for continuation, okay, and I do think that you are going to bounce here. I mean, if it does come as low as that, we're looking at a fantastic, beautiful, impulsive wave, you know, and it's going to offer an even greater opportunity going forward for those that want to get involved, because you would be looking at this, okay, you will be looking at a $1.98 impulsive move up, you know, from there, which coupled with this, you know, you've equally got this impulsive move that you're also in, you know, to the $4.50, which is up here, which is our trend line basically. So I do anticipate that you could do something like this. I've not got a crystal ball, but this is what I'm anticipating. So you're going to come down there, you're going to come back up, you're going to run to a level of resistance there, you're going to fall back to a key level of support, and then you're going to pump, and you're going to be looking at that $4.50, you know, this side of Christmas. Personally, again, not financial advice, but I think that once it goes, and coupled with the SEC, you're just going to see it take off. And I think, you know, it potentially going to get through that and start to march on, and technically it could start to get some more technical targets up here for XRP, which is the Fibonacci extensions. The reason it's not, for me personally, XRP should already be up here. It should already got to the 1618, and it should be right now retracing for the 1414 at least. But the reason is, you know, it's the SEC over its ass, isn't it? You know, on its head, sorry. You know, but regardless of the SEC, it's still in a sort of mini bull market, isn't it? It's still appreciating, and you're moving up and impulsively and correctively like this. You know, once we get that, it's gone. It's gone. Again, not financial advice. Nothing I say is financial advice. It's all about support and resistance. That's what it is. Charting. It's a game of support and resistance. Okay, so that's basically XRP. A little update for you today. So take a look at the hourly time frame. You are on a level of resistance. If you can break out this level of resistance, look, you've got this trend line, and effectively you are still now in a technical target because you've lost support at this horizontal. You're in a technical target to 99 cents. So you're coming down, you're hitting your head, If you fail to break above the hourly 55 EMA here, you are looking for another roll down here to 95 cents. Okay, but I want to reassure you that it's all what it does, and I am looking at upside eventually. Okay, so just enjoy the ride basically. That's XRP. You know, if you continue to hit resistance right there, you can see it's some kind of horizontal, a larger horizontal like this. You know, you start to fall out, you're going to come down, aren't you? So it's what happens. You come down, you build up a continuation pattern, a level of consolidation before you continue. Do you understand that? So yeah, and potentially, you know, hopefully you've put in the A, B, and then that's a C like that down to that particular level of support just there for XRP. It can actually be that simple. So yeah, if you do start to see a rolling market, put some bids on the 050 down at 85 cents. Okay, not financial advice. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.